do know how they do it.
Hi guys.
They drink it.
Just a minute here.
They toke it.
I'm talking about one of my medium-sized lathes. Well, my mid-sized lathe anyway. I don't have any other lathes that are more new or more advanced than this one here. So what I'm trying to say is, I don't have a CNC machine, and there have been three guys insisting that I must have a CNC machine if I can make 300 or 400 Q99 generators, which I have done before, and or hundreds of check valves. They think, well, you must have a CNC machine. I do not. I have only a manual machine. You watch how this machine goes. That's on, that's off. Simple as that. Now you don't know what I did over here, but all I did was push the on and off button, and there is no system to this machine. It is either on or off, and you can adjust the speed of it. And this is how I make threads on a certain thing. I'm going to show you 2 or 3 of them just a minute here. Okay, this is called a die stock. Inside here is a die that has the threads we need for the end of this, which is going to be a bent stud. And all we're going to do is show how I do it, and I hope that my hands don't get in the way. But here we go. It's as simple as this. Get to the end of it, reverse the machine, pull it back off the tailstock, stop the machine, put the machine back and forward, take out the bent stud, okay, put in a new one. We're going to do the same thing one more time. Push this up here, put my hand over here with this. This holds the die stock from turning. The die in there is pinched in by Allen screws. I'm going to start. There we go. And when it gets to the end of where the threaded area is supposed to be, I just push the reverse on the machine. The machine stops going forward, turns backward, and then that's the end of the part. As far as this end goes, I already did the other end, where this is where the ball nut will go on whatever, your 220 or whatever you got. Okay, so this is the most advanced machine in my shop, and all it does is go forward and reverse with the push of a button. It does not do anything else fancy. It doesn't do any woo like making parts by itself. I have no such machine, and people have wrote me and told me I'm full of it because I have said this is all I've got. They think I have some